Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and loading the exact project you plan to publish. Once done, double-check that audio and visual elements are final because the check flags content at export. Now tap the Export button to trigger Capcut's copyright check flow. This is where the app scans for matches. Make sure you're connected to the internet, since the check queue is a database. This first step prevents rework later and sets up accurate diagnostics for any problematic clips. You'll see a progress bar while Capcut scans your timeline. Be patient because longer videos take more time. Once analysis finishes, review the list of detected matches, music, stock clips, or branded elements so you understand what triggered a flag. Tap any listed item to view source info and the restriction type, such as claim only, muted, or blocked in specific regions. After that, decide whether to replace, mute, or remove the flagged asset. This lets you keep control of the final export. You should resolve issues by replacing flagged audio or clips with Capcut's free library, trimming the segment, or toggling audio levels to comply. Once edits are applied, rerun the copyright check to confirm no active blocks remain. That second pass prevents surprises when you publish. If a match persists despite changes, export privately and either dispute the claim through the platform or alter content to avoid the asset. One troubleshooting tip: clear app cache and restart cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.